Hey there, welcome to LearnCut. My name is Santosh, and I request you to subscribe to the channel. We make technical videos so that you can learn. These are the latest videos that we have put up, and please support us. Thank you so much. We are new creators. So, without wasting much time, let's see what we do here. Today, in this video, I will show you how you can create HTML email template. The reason I'm making this video is because the content over here on YouTube is outdated. If you search for HTML email template, you don't find any tutorial to create this. So let's get started right away. The first thing that I want you to do is I want you to type Unlayer on Google or Bing and go to unlayer.com. So Unlayer is a drag and drop email builder. So you create emails in minutes, no coding or design required. So click on Start Designing and you get to search the templates that are already there for a lot of things. On the left hand side, then we have license. Click on free, and you can see that we have various things over here that are already there. If you want to hurry up the template creation, you can go ahead and use one of these templates. For example, I will show you how you can use one of these. Let's assume that you want to send out an email that exactly looks like this. All right. So you just click on get started and start editing the template. As you can see, these are um, templates that work with all these providers, such as Gmail, Amazon, and all of these, right? You can even export them as HTML, zip, or PDF documents. So the next thing that we can do is click on Start Editing, the blue button, you click on it, and it comes up over here. And as you can see, it loads the template. So as you can see on the right hand side, we have various elements such as images, text, columns, buttons, dividers, headings, videos that you can add. You can even add custom HTML if you wanted to, right? Which is a great feature if you ask me. For example, let's assume that you want to change the logo. You just click on it, and on the right hand side, you get the content, and you just come down and see that you can upload the image over here. For example, instead of one layer, you can click on the image and you can choose your own logo. For example, let's assume that I want to choose my logo, which is this particular logo. I click on it and you get to see that it changes the logo very nicely. You can click on apply effects as well, and you can do a lot of things over here. For example, you can crop the picture, you can draw around it, you can put more text, you can add stickers, you can add frames, and you can round the corners. Let's try rounding the corners. I will add a border radius so that it becomes more rounded. Let's see what happens. Over here, I click on apply, and as you can see, it did a pretty good job of turning it into a circle. Click on save, and we are done. It should update the image. There we go, it updated the image. Now, if you want to change the text over here, for example, this one, in honor of remembrance, in honor and remembrance, a memorial day tribute, right? You can go ahead and play around. For example, over here, I don't want the font family to be Rubik's. I want it to be something else. You can try that too. For example, uh, let's assume that you want to use something else. Uh, Ubuntu, maybe, right? There we go. So, for example, over here we'll just say welcome to click on. So that's the welcome email that is sent out. For example, let's assume that you are sending out a welcome email. You can go ahead and change the text over here as well. For example, let's try Amazon for this. Uh, and there you go. As you can see, you get a lot of options. So you can play around. You can increase the font size. Let's try 15 there. You can change the colors as well if you want. For example, let's make this black. And as you can see, it works out pretty well. Let's make this white. It works out pretty well. Not a lot of things to get confused about, right? Um, Over here, you can control the line height. You can adjust that. And you can add links as well, which is great. For example, over here, let's graph the email. I'll just say, welcome to our website, https dot click one click one dot top. And you can go ahead and try a few other options like smart text, which will automatically create content for you, right? For example, I'm very sorry. It's AI. It will automatically fix spelling and grammar mistakes. You can use it to expand text, which will go ahead and automatically create content for you, which is great if you ask me, because these are some things that you can try for free. As you can see, I just generated some content. We are thrilled to welcome you to our website. Click on the top. This is your go-to online portal designed with needs in your mind. We have strived to create an interactive and user-friendly platform to ensure your online experience with us is nothing short of excellence. Enjoy the array of features and content that have been meticulously put together just for your convenience. Feel free to explore and engage with various sections of our websites as you navigate through https click one dot top. We hope you find the information and resources helpful and meaningful. Thank you for choosing us as your preferred online platform. So as you can see, it did a pretty good job. Let's try to hyperlink this. Over here, click on links. Uh, I'm figuring out how to add the link now. Uh, right click. No, you just do this option, which is over here, insert edit link, and paste the link that you want, and ensure that it is opening in a new tab, and this will open a website. So click on save, which is great if you ask me. And again, the same logic over here. Click on that, click on paste, and click on save. So as you can see, it did a pretty good job of drafting the email, and it did a lot of work for us. I just want to change the font color to be lighter version of white. For example, over here, you can just select the template color, and there we go. Uh, that works for me. And we can change the link color as well. For example, do we have that option over here? Uh, the link color by default is, this looks a little odd. Let's use Ubuntu, but let's change this to bold. Yeah, that's okay to me. And then we have the button. You can uh, change the URL of the button. For example, this I'll change to click on the top, and it will open up in a new tab. And the CTA, you can provide the CTA, which is call to action. And let's say you want it to say, where is the text? I want to change the text over there. You can directly Write anything you want. For example, visit our website, right? And once you are satisfied with the email that you have created, for example, I don't want this, what can I do? I can go ahead and delete it just like that. And over here, you can see that you can adjust how about adjusting the width of the container? For example, I don't want this container at all. I could delete that. And there we go. It adapts well. And thanks for your support over here. Let's just say we are thrilled to have you here. Thank you. We wholeheartedly thank you for using us. For example, that I wanted to write, and we were able to do that. And lastly, we can change the social media icons over here. For example, you can connect your Facebook. Suppose that you had a page called as Click On. You could specify that you are over there. And as you can see, it does a pretty good job designed by Unwear. I want to keep that right over there, which is fine. And lastly, you can do the can handle a lot of other things, such as unsubscribing. Now, lastly, I want to see how this works out. Export. I want to say I want to push this to. Uh, let's download this as a zip file. Let's assume that you want to put this somewhere. You want to use this as a HTML file. So let's rate them 5 because they did a pretty good job of doing all these things. Because this was a test video, I didn't want to provide my email. I used a temporary email address because this is a tutorial. And there we go. Let's go ahead and check out how it looks. Click on download your template, and there we go. It gives us the zip file, uh, and it can be used across all the devices. Let's extract this to see how it looks. So it has 9 items. Uh, so as you can see, you can open the template now. For example, Chrome always. Let's see how this looks. And as you can see, it has done a pretty good job. You can go ahead and change these images as well if you want. So you can customize it even further. That is the great part about working with Unlayer. So all in all, it's a great way of creating email templates. What do you say? What are your views on this? Please go ahead and um, share your opinions on this. For example, as you can see, it's just working just fine. Uh, it's working. The links are working, and let's check the responsiveness. At last, let's go to the more tools section, developer tools, and let's say iPhone SE. And this is a little weird, if you ask me, because this is not adaptive at the moment. So they can improve over here. They can manually add these padding for this, but there are rooms for improvement when it comes to the responsiveness of the things that you create with Andrea. So hopefully this video helped you learn a little about Unlayer and how to create email templates, how to change the templates, how to export them, and a lot of other things. So thank you so much for watching. You have a good one.